shone so bright. He is my guiding light. He kept me with his light. My soul has taken flight.
Today we will discuss the benefits that lavender has for hair and follicles. Many benefits include hair growth. Lavender oil can help with hair growth, thickness, and development. It can also help with alopecia and pattern baldness. This also assists with hair loss prevention. Lavender oil can also prevent hair loss by improving blood circulation to the hair follicles. This can be caused by treating stress, anxiety, depression, and insomnia, which are common causes of hair loss. But wait, there's more. It also helps with your scalp. Lavender oil has antibacterial and antiseptic properties that protect the scalp from bacteria, so it reduces dandruff and itchiness, but it'll also give you that shine. Did you know that stress can contribute to hair loss by triggering conditions that disrupt the hair growth cycle? Well, that's why us at Blessed Tresses use lavender in our buttress hair oil for the benefits of growth, follicle stimulation, and the de-stressing properties. To learn more about the oils we use or to purchase products, please follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok, or go to our website that's listed in the bio. Thank you for watching.